अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो स्टूडेंट, आज जिस टॉपिक की एनिमेशन आप लोग देखने जा रहे हैं उसे सबसे टफेस्ट टॉपिक माना जाता है पूरी बायोलॉजी में। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ oogenesis। द टॉपिक बिलोंग्स टू द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। अच्छा, सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट बात, मैंने इस एनिमेशन को स्टूडेंट के मेंटल लेवल को फोकस करके डिजाइन किया। यानी कि मैं आपको कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ये बात कह सकता हूं कि आप किसी भी सोशल मीडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाकर देख लें, आपको एनिमेशन तो मिलेंगी, लेकिन ऐसी एनिमेशन नहीं मिलेगी जो 100% आपके मेंटल लेवल को अप्रोच करे। तो मैंने इस तरह से डिजाइन किया कि जैसे मैं खुद एक एफएससी का स्टूडेंट हूं और मैं खुद इस टॉपिक को पहली बार रीड कर रहा हूं, लेकिन इस टॉपिक को देखने के बाद आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे और आप हर तरह के एग्जाम्स में आने वाले एमसीक्यू को क्रैक कर सकते हैं। तो आइए आपका टाइम जाया किए बगैर आपको ये एनिमेशन दिखाते हैं।
Welcome to the Bio with T. So, dear students, oogenesis is divided into two main phases, pre-natal and post-natal phase. So here we will take a start from prenatal stage. This stage starts in female before birth around between 2nd to 5th month of her development. In this stage, primordial germ cell divides metodically and produce many oogonia, which are surrounded by single layer of follicle cells. And then, after the 5th month of development, each oogonium further divided metodically and produced primary oocyte. Still, it is surrounded by same layer of follicular cells. During this process, follicle atresia occurs, means many oogonia die, and the final product is called primordia follicle. Dear students, make difference between primordial germ cell and primordial follicle. And then, till the birth of the female, each primary oocyte enters into the first meiotic division, but does not complete it. This primary oocyte arrests at the prophase 1 of meiosis. Final product still has the wrapping of single follicular cellular layer, and the whole structure is still named as primordial follicle. Now, prenatal stages have completed. Things to remember for the events which have completed during prenatal phase. And then just after the birth, slight change occurs, and primordial follicle is now termed as growing follicle. And then during physical growth of body, before the age of adolescence, outer layer of growing follicle divides and change into multi-layer granulosa cellular layers. Now this whole structure is called primary follicle, still keeping the arrested primary oocyte inside. Now the age of adolescence comes, and under the effect of FSH hormone, a cavity developed between the layers of granulosa cells, called antrum, and now primary follicle is called secondary follicle, still having arrested primary oocyte. Also remember the zona pellucida, the adjacent layer of primary oocyte wall. Now, during each month of menstrual activity, finally arrested primary oocyte completes its first meiotic division and change itself into secondary oocyte. Also produce first polar body here. Now the whole body is called Graphian follicle. And just after the next event, now we have a complete structure as a mature follicle, which again having an arrested secondary oocyte, which is kept arrested at the metaphase 2 of meiosis 2. And now at the 14th day of menstruation of each month, ovulation occurs. A discharge of an arrested secondary oocyte from the ovary along its first polar body. Then this arrested secondary oocyte enters into the uterine tube. And after this event, you can observe the sequence of ruptured follicle.